What's up, power enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been stuck in the middle of nowhere with a dead phone, a warm cooler, or worse, no power during an emergency, then today's video is going to absolutely blow your mind. I'm about to show you the UDPOWER C600 portable power station solar generator that's been taking the outdoor and emergency prep community by storm. This thing is an absolute beast, and I'm going to tell you exactly why every adventure enthusiast and smart homeowner needs one of these bad boys. What's up, power enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been stuck in the middle of nowhere with a dead phone, a warm cooler, or worse, no power during an emergency, then today's video is going to absolutely blow your mind. I'm about to show you the UDPOWER C600 portable power station solar generator that's been taking the outdoor and emergency prep community by storm. This thing is an absolute beast, and I'm going to tell you exactly why every adventure enthusiast and smart homeowner needs one of these bad boys. Alright, let's talk specs because this isn't your average power bank. The UDPOWER C600 packs a serious punch with 600 W AC output. That's enough to run your mini fridge, laptop, and charge multiple devices simultaneously. And get this, it surges up to 12 kW for those power-hungry appliances. What really sets this apart is the 595V to LiFePO4 battery. Now, most cheap power stations use basic lithium-ion batteries that die after 500 charge cycles. This LiFePO4 technology, we're talking over 4,000 charge cycles with 80% capacity retention. That's literally 10 times longer lifespan. And check out this solar panel setup. We've got dual SP120W panels that can pump 240 W into this beast. That's the fastest solar charging in its class, folks. Now let me show you why this thing is absolutely crushing the competition on Amazon. First up, portability. At just 12.79 pounds, I can easily carry this thing on any adventure. Compare that to those heavy, clunky generators that require two people to move. Look at all these outputs. We've got two AC outlets, USB-C PD ports pushing 65 W and 35 W, USB-A ports, 12 VCAR port, and DC outputs. That's 9 total ports. I can literally power my entire mobile office setup. You will find the link to the product in the description. But here's what really impressed me: the solar charging speed. In perfect conditions, this thing charges from 0 to 100 in just 2.5 hours with the included panels. Most competitors take 6 to 8 hours. And safety? This isn't some sketchy Chinese knockoff. We're talking UL2743, FCC, and RoHS certifications, plus a 6-layer safety system. Overvoltage protection, short circuit protection, temperature control. This thing has your back. Okay, enough talk. Let's put this thing to the test. I took this camping last weekend, and wow, did it deliver. I ran a 12V cooler for 3 days straight, charged my drone batteries, powered my camp lights, and still had juice left over. The display is super clear. You can see exactly how much power you're using and how much battery life remains. No guessing games here. And for you RV folks out there, this is perfect for boondocking. I tested it with a small microwave, and it handled the $800 load like a champ. The pure sine wave output means your sensitive electronics are completely safe. Please subscribe to the channel. One thing that really stood out: it's whisper quiet. Under 30 dB operation means you can run this inside your tent or RV without that annoying generator noise that ruins the peaceful outdoor experience. Now, I've tested a lot of portable power stations, and most Amazon alternatives in this price range have serious limitations. They're either too heavy, charge too slowly, or use cheap batteries that die quickly. The C600 is literally 30% lighter than comparable 500W models I've tested. The 240W solar input is double what most competitors offer. And that LiFePO4 battery, Game changer for long-term value. I've seen people complain about the upfront costs compared to basic lithium-ion units, but when you factor in the 4,000 plus cycle lifespan, this actually costs way less per use over time. So who is this perfect for? Obviously, if you're into camping, RVing, or any outdoor adventures, this is a no-brainer. But it's also incredible for emergency preparedness, and honestly, after the crazy weather we've been having, everyone should have backup power. Digital nomads and remote workers will love the fast USB-C charging for laptops. I can run my MacBook Pro and external monitor for hours. You will find the link to the product in the description. And for contractors or DIY enthusiasts, having clean power anywhere without hunting for outlets is invaluable. Let me give you the honest pros and cons. Pros: incredibly fast solar charging, super lightweight for the capacity, rock-solid safety features, whisper-quiet operation, and that amazing Life PO4 longevity. Cons: the upfront investment is higher than basic models, and if you need massive capacity for running large appliances for days, you might need to step up to a bigger unit. But for 90% of users, this hits the sweet spot of power, portability, and performance. Look, I've tested dozens of portable power stations, and the UDPOWER C600 with solar panels is hands down one of the best values on Amazon right now. The combination of that fast solar charging, incredible battery lifespan, and lightweight design makes this a winner. Whether you're planning epic camping trips, preparing for emergencies, or just want reliable power anywhere, this thing delivers. The peace of mind knowing you've got clean, quiet, reliable power wherever you go. Priceless. Please subscribe to the channel. If this review helped you out, absolutely smash that like button, subscribe for more power station reviews and outdoor gear content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about the C600. I read every single comment and love helping you guys find the perfect power solutions. Until next time, stay powered up and keep exploring. Peace out, Power family.